Hey, hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we are going to start NCERT Mathematics textbook of class 7 solutions. Today we will learn and solve NCERT Mathematics textbook of class 7. Try these questions and questions 1, 2, 3, 4 of exercise 13.1, chapter 13 and chapter name is Exponent and Powers of class 7 of NCERT Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. And please visit my blog mathsgrid.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of CBSE, ICSE and other state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. From today we are going to start class 7th NCERT Mathematics textbook chapter 13 and exercise 13.1. Try these questions and questions 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chapter name is Exponents and Power. And topics are exponents and powers, value of the exponents, exponential form and exponential notation. Let's solve some questions. Now we try these questions. Question is express 729 as a power of 3. 729. First we have to find out the prime factorization of 729. Unit digit is 9, so it is not divisible by 2. So we have to take 3. 3 2 just 6, 3 4 just 12 and 3 3 just 9. Then unit digit is 3, so it is divisible by 3. 3 8 is 24, 3 1 is 3. Then 3 27. Next 3 9, 3 9 3. Then 729, prime factorization of 729 is 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 3. 3 multiplied 9 times. So 3 to the power 9. 3 is the base and 9 is the power or exponents. So 729 is 3 to the power 9. Now we solve express 128 as a power of 2. First we have to find out prime factorization of 128. Unit digit is 8, so it is divisible by 2. 2 6 is 12, 2 4 is 8. Next 2. 2 is divisible by 64. 64 is divisible by 2, so 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. And 32 is divisible by 2. 2 16. Then 16 is divisible by 2. Then 2 8 is 16. Then 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4. So 120. Prime factorization of 120. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 2 multiplied 7 times, so it will be 2 to the power 7. 2 is the base and 7 is the power or exponent. So 128 can be expressed as a power of 2 is 2 to the power 7. 128 is 2 to the power 7. Now express 343 as a power of 7. First we have to express 343. We have to find out the prime factorization of 343. 343. Unit digit is 3, so it will be divisible by 7. It is sum of digits of 343 is 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 is not divisible by 3, so we have to divide 343 by 7. 7 is divisible. 343 7. 343 divided by 7 is 7 8. 7 4 ja 28. 6 7 7 9 ja 63. Now 7 49 is divisible by 7. 7 7 ja 49. So 343 is 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied 3 times. So 7 to the power 3, where 7 is the base and 3 is the exponent or the power. So 343 can be expressed as the power of 7 is 7 to the power 3, 7 cube. So 343 equal to 7 to the power 3. Now we'll solve question number 1 of exercise 13.1. Find the value of 2 to the power 6. 2 to the power 6 means we have to multiply number 2 6 times. 2 is the base and 6 is the exponent or the power. So we have to multiply 2 6 times. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 16 multiplied 8. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. 32 multiplied by 2 is 64. So 2 to the power 6 is 64. 64 is the value of 2 to the power 6. Now we solve question number second bit 9 to the power 3. Find the value of 9 to the power 3. 9 to the power 9 to the power 3 means we have to multiply 9 3 times. 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. 9 multiplied by 9 is 81. 81 multiplied by 9 is 729. So 729 is the value of 9 to the power 3. So 9 to the power 3 is 729. Now we solve third bit 11 to the power 2. 11 square. Find the value of 11 square. 11 to the power 2. 11 to the power 2 means we have to multiply 11 2 times, where 11 is the base and 2 is the exponent. We have to multiply 11 2 times. 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. So 121 is the value of 11 square, or 11 square is equal to 121. Now we solve question number 4th bit 5 to the power 4. Find the value of 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4, where 5 is the base and 4 is the exponent. 5 to the power 4 means we have to multiply 5 4 times. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. 25 multiplied by 5 is 125. And 125 multiplied by 5 is 625. So 625 is the value of 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4 is 625. Now we solve question number 2. Express the following in exponential form. First bit is 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 6 is multiplied 4 times. 6 multiplied by 6, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 6 is multiplied 4 times. So it will be 6 to the power 4, where 6 is the base and 4 is exponent. solve second bit. Express the following in exponential form of t multiplied by t. T multiplied by t means we have to multiply t. Here t is multiplied 2 times. So t multiplied t equal to t to the power 2, where t is the base, and 2 is exponent. Now we solve third bit. Express the following in exponential form of b multiplied by b multiplied by b multiplied by b. Here b is multiplied 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be b to the power 4, where b is the exponent, where b is base, b is the base, and 4 is the exponent. Or power. Now solve fourth bit. Express the following in exponential form of 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 5 multiplied by 5 2 times. Here 5 is multiplied 2 times. And 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 7 multiplied by 7 3 times. 7 multiplied 3 times. So it will be 7 to the power 3. Where 5 is base and 2 is exponent or power. In 7 to the power 3, 7 is the base and 3 is exponent. In 7 to the power 3, 7 is the base and 3 is the exponent. In 5 to the power 2, 5 is the base and 2 is the exponent. So 5 to the power 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7 is 5 to the power 2, that is 5 square, multiplied by 7 to the power 3. Now we solve fifth bit. Express the following in exponential form of 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by a multiplied by a. Here 2 is multiplied 2 times. So it will be 2 to the power 2 multiplied with a multiplied by a. A multiplied 2 times. So it will be a to the power 2. So 2 multiplied by 2, where 2 is the base. 2 is base and 2 is exponent. Exponent or power. In a to the power 2, a is base and 2 is exponent or power. So 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by a multiplied by a, it will be 2 square multiplied with a square. Now we solve sixth bit. Express the following in exponential form of a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied 3 times, so it will be a to the power 3, where a is base and 3 is exponent. Then c multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by c. C multiplied 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So it will be c to the power 4, where c is base and 4 is exponent. Multiplied by d. D multiplied 1 times. So it will be d to the power 1 or d only. So a to the power a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by a multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by c multiplied by d is a cube multiplied by c to the power 4 multiplied by d. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank